Solario, night figs. I have 80 plus figs, fig trees, and I don't have a problem.
I'm Antonio, also go by the Fig Father. I got 56 specimens of the common fig, and I do not have a problem as of yet.
Go.
My name's Homer, and I'm new to the hobby. No, but you know what's hilarious is she watches his tasting videos and she goes, "Whose house were you at?"
That was our house. You were out of
And
town.
I was like, I was only at a tourist house for 5 minutes. She's like, "You ate 30 figs in 5 minutes?"
What the hell? Yeah, I did.
I said, "Honey, that was only for the thumbnail."
Yeah, but come on, seriously, how many trees do you have?
63.
Wow. And you think you have a problem?
I absolutely do not have a problem.
All right.
I had a 35 trees.
Okay. And do you have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem.
Okay.
And the new ones he got today. Hey, plus the new ones he got today.
Mike, I am new to the hobby. I have 40 figs as of last year.
This is really sweet.
Probably another 20 or so this year. And please don't tell my wife this video.
Go.
Hi, I'm Quinn. Let's see, technically I was formerly the owner of 84, 85 trees.
Ooh.
Now I'm down to like, I think 16, right now
Wow.
16. So you guys all have adopted some of my trees, so.
Out of rehab over here. Out of fig rehab.
Go.
Hi, I'm Steve. I got probably about 20 different varieties. Been collecting about, I don't know, 7 or 8 years. And probably with the clones, about 100 and some trees right now.
And you gotta say, you have a problem? Or you do think you have a problem or no?
I definitely have a problem, and anything I do, it just gets out of control.
Oh, okay. All right, ready?
Yeah. Hi, my name's Kelly. I have 16, 17, or 18 trees. I'm not sure which.
I got another one for you.
That's what happens every time we get together. Someone goes, "Oh, Kelly, I have this tree for you." The last time I left with 5 trees, so I doubled my collection in one sitting.